How to log into Walmart's employee login online portal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Walmart employee login portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is simply search for Walmart employee login portal in your web browser. After you search for that, you will see different websites come up. You'll need to head over to this one.walmart website. Simply head over there. After you head over there, you will find this website. Let it load first. You'll find a login button on the top right corner. Let me just tap on this logout first. And after that, let me just go back and log in again. So let me refresh that, go back, and there we go. There you should find a login button right here. There we go. Tap on the login button. And all you now need to do is type in your user ID and your country and region, then your location. After that, your store number or club number, and just go through with the process. And also type in your password if it asks you to. Then tap on sign in, and you're good to go. And that's how you can log in into Walmart as an employee. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.